It checks out.
Yes.
But it's food poisoning. What is up, everybody? We are back with another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty. Today I'm here in Runyon Canyon. So in honor of Thanksgiving approaching, I'm going to be asking these hikers a thing or two about Thanksgiving. What are your names and where are you from?
My name is Jesper from Stockholm, Sweden.
My name is TJ, and I live here in Hollywood, in West Hollywood.
My name is Hugo from Stockholm.
My name is Michael. I'm from Brooklyn.
And Philip from Stockholm as well.
John Patrick O'Connor, originally from New York City, but mostly from northern New Jersey.
Thanksgiving isn't your guys' holiday, but either...
I think we can do it. We can do it, yeah. We have faith in us. We are very educated, yeah.
I'm lucky.
You're a lucky guy?
Yeah, I'm lucky. If it's multiple choice, I can do it.
What year did the first Thanksgiving take place? A, 1621, B, 1635, or C, 1652?
Always guess the middle.
We always
the middle
we have a tradition that if we don't know, we always guess the middle. That's how we do it. So B.
It's a Swedish tradition. Everyone is Swedish tradition.
Yeah.
I'll go with B too.
Yeah.
I'll go with B.
We don't know the answer.
It's the first or the second one, I think. So I'm going to go with the middle one.
You go middle? That's been a common theme in this episode.
I got it wrong, didn't I?
It was A, 1621.
Should have gone with my first impulse. That's what they say.
The first Thanksgiving was celebrated in October 1621 by the Pilgrims and local Wampanoag Indians.
Yeah.
Have it.
Yeah. Oh. I had it. Yeah. It's so.
The Wampanoags arrived after they heard celebratory gunshots and thought fighting had started. But when they arrived, at least this time, they were invited to join the meal. Which president made Thanksgiving a national holiday? Was it A, George Washington, B, James Madison, or C, Abraham Lincoln?
Why would I know that?
It's 100% James Madison because he's the only one I don't know. The other guys are famous for other
Yeah,
reasons.
that's true.
Yeah.
Very smart.
We have, and we also always guess middle in Sweden.
And Lincoln, obviously was way too busy, so let's go with Washington because he was figuring things out.
That was
A,
right?
yeah.
National holiday.
Lincoln.
Didn't even need the options. Well done.
I'm amazed that he was able to find the time to do that. There was a war going on.
Yeah.
There was stuff to get done.
How'd you know that? Did you that guess or do you know that?
Told you I wanted to be a history teacher. They wouldn't hire me, though.
You got some history knowledge.
I like it's a hobby.
Oh, there we go. Spanish and history.
That means I jinx myself. I'm going to get the rest wrong.
Our last question is a health question, sponsored by Dherbs. Over 35,000 people have to go to the ER each Thanksgiving. Which one of these is the most common reason why? A, knife injuries, B, food poisoning, or C, excess alcohol?
The last one, excess alcohol.
I think it's alcohol. Because
It's not B, but yeah, we can take it.
Oh, I got to go with excess alcohol.
Oh, you guys should have stuck with your Swedish B. It was B, food poisoning. It checks out.
Yes.
But it's food poisoning.
And they're not good cooks. They're not experienced. Yeah.
Exactly. A lot of people think that they're a chef, and they're really not.
Can we start all over again and get the same questions?
I'll tell you what, guys. Since it's Thanksgiving, it's a season for giving and for being thankful. We got a nice little 20 ball for you guys anyways.
thank you so much.
Just a little-
Look at that.
That's awesome.
$20.
Thank you so much for us knowing nothing. We appreciate the Thanksgiving generosity.
little 20. Oh, of course, it's a little Thanksgiving.
Give it to a kid.
You sure? Yeah. All right, I appreciate you.
So it's Jesper
Hugo.
And Philip.
from Stockholm, Sweden, and we just played the Street Smart game sponsored by Dherbs.
Hi, I just played the Street Smart Challenge. I didn't do very well, but thank you, Dherbs.
My name is TJ Pierce,
And Carlos Dangerfield.
and we just played the Street Smart Challenge, and we failed. Thank you, Dherbs.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.